All right, so here we are. We're on Crystal Lake today. Yesterday we were out on Post Pond over in Lyme. Today we're out in Enfield. This is Crystal Lake. I've not been out here in several years. It's been a while, but I grew up fishing on this pond, this lake. Sorry, it's not a pond, it's a lake. I grew up fishing. I've fished out here. I've hunted out here. I've ice fished out here. So as you can see behind me, this is the lake. We're at the boat launch right now. So Tom and I are going to try to hit this again today. Today I got my youngest little kiddo with me. He's going to join in on the fun. I've got my four-wheeler. Makes it a lot easier for hauling gear out. But nice thing is, there's not tons and tons of snow out here. Looks like there's they got the motorcycle track out here again this year. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. There's a big circle out there. They get dirt bikes and motorcycles out here with studded tires. These guys rip all around out here. But there's a shanty over there. We kind of go in that general direction. But we're gonna head out and see if we can't catch some fish today. So there's perch out here. There's rainbow trout. There's pickerel, there's bass. So hopefully we can catch some of those and see what we can come up with and have some fun today. So what are your thoughts, Tom?
Can't wait to try to set that shelter up.
It's
gonna balloon us right into the next lake. We're gonna have fun.
We're gonna try. We'll see what happens. We'll keep you guys in the loop. So here we are, all set up. We got the buddy heater going, got the fan circulating the hot air. Got the nice Bose speakers up top so we can have some tunes while we're fishing. Hanging out, Tom's over there checking. He's got his nice little setup over there to hold this rod in place. And then Declan's over here having his whoopie pie, he's having fun. I'm sitting in my big comfy chair. I got 3 holes right beneath our feet, so Declan's and Tom's, and mine is literally right there. And you can see the bottom, well you can see my shadow. I don't know if you can see that or not though, but if you look, you can see, there's my, see it moving? That's my bait. It's pretty shallow right here. So we're actually gonna go set out a few more holes and see if we can get some fish. Windy out today. That is the lake. Not too bad. Having a fun time so far today. No fish yet, but still early. Nicely done. Woohoo! There you go. Oh, it looks good. You just bit the hook too. It makes life easy for you. Yeah, it's gonna make a mess of your line, but we'll fix that later. Nice. That is a nice pickerel. But yeah, see on the sides right there? See, it looks like a chain link.
Yes.
See, it looks like it's almost like a chain link on the side.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then the nose, and it dips down. They call them freshwater torpedoes. They look how they're shaped. Nice. Nice fish. Nice job, Deck Man. What do you say to Mr. Tom? He let you catch his fish.
Thank you, Tom.
That's awesome. All right, we didn't get skunked, boys. Wow, it's a lot nicer too. Wind died right down. You gotta get my head hanging. No, you need to hold him, turn him around like that, and you gotta nail him right in that flat. No, other way, hold him. You gotta hit him on the top of his head. Get your thumb right in his mouth. No, in his mouth. I want your knuckle. No, down to your knuckle. No. Down to your knuckle. I can't wait to show it to mommy tonight. No. Oh my god. Oh my god, it does. It does. This fish is like, anybody got any prescriptions for Advil? I need some. He's like, just let the wind kill me, kid. Seriously. Oh my gosh, this is priceless. I gotta show it to Papa. He's afraid to hit him. He's like, no, I don't want to hurt him. No, it's not dead. He's still very alive. You gotta hit him hard, dude. Right in that flat spot. No, no. Knuckle in the mouth. Whack him. All the way in there. No, you gotta get all the way down to your knuckle. Grab it onto him. You gotta hit him right hard. That is not hard. Tom, hold this for a second. I want to get all this video for future teaching purposes. Get Tom, look. Right down in like that. See he's coming around? Yeah, look at you. You like purple his skin. Right here. See that? Look. Twitch. That's dead. When they do that, they're done. That's it. Boom, done. He's fried. See little twitches? Yeah. That's what you gotta do. You gotta whack him. He's done. Don't takes. Thank you. The proper way to finish a pet. Okay, here's your fish. That's a nice perch too. Yeah, see? How he's bleeding up there? That means you got him. He's done. Oh, yeah.
Oh, whoops. There he is. Another pickerel. Oh, perch, sorry.
That's what I wanted. Look at the size of that giant.
Nice.
The size of that bad boy. That dinner. Giant perch. Look at him. Nice beauty. Heck yeah. Hey, Jesus, look at that.
Almost the size of his hand. It's actually bigger.
That's a beautiful fish. That is an awesome perch. Heck yeah. We're gonna have something. Yeah, we can have some chow. Keep going. Like they're coming through. That's a fatty. Yee-hoo! That's awesome.
Second perch of the day.
That just like, look at that. The middle's tail is still flipping in his bottom throat, but I hooked him right in the top of his mouth. Nice. See? You can see he swallowed them, you know. Hooked him right there perfectly. Good. That's the first fish of the day.
Woohoo! Shadow.
Solid hookup on that one.
Good job. We got another.
You can see the tail of it is literally sticking out of his throat.
So you gotta like whack him right here.
Yeah, just like our last one, again.
Sure.
Alright, we need to get some bacon. gentle, gentle. No way! That is a giant pickerel. Holy cow! Wow! That's gotta be 2 feet almost. That's huge. That is a nice pickerel. It's a beast of a pickerel. Jeez.
Didn't take the line that far either.
That's all right. I wonder if that's what hit last time on this one. That is sweet. Nice job, Declan. Nice job.